Gusto niya.
Mayor si Salvador Panilo nag-ingon na duha daw ang kung dili daw senador o mayor ayan imong daganan according to attorney Panilo.
Well, let me put it this way. Kilala naman niya ako, been your mayor for so many years now. You think that I can carry a national campaign at my age? Or you want me to die? Magkukulaps lang ako niyan eh. Well, anyway guys, I think that at my age, 73, mukhang hindi ko na kaya. Let us be realistic about it.
So are you considering local position there?
Well, I am open to suggestions from the media. What do you think I should be gunning for? Iyo yan.
Mayor.
Who else? Ikaw. Sino?
Of course.
Kaya
Mayor
mo,
kayo.
thank you, kaya mo pa mayor, kaya mo pa basta mayor.
Mayor na nga tayo.
Yan ang gusto. Is it a public clamor?
Yes.
Among sa media?
Yes, Mayor.
Is the media's sentiment now reflect the
Yes, of course.
community
Yes, of course.
gusto ng tao ibig sabihin?
Yes.
Sige, mayor tayo.
How about Mayor Baste and Congressman?
What will happen to Mayor Baste?
He should be the vice mayor.